Hello everybody! Watch this video to see how to clean your computer or laptop with Windows 10, 8 or 7 from viruses for free. We will search for viruses with a free program, Malwarebytes 3.0. This utility can protect your computer from rootkits, malware and spyware. It blocks file encryption operations used for blackmailing and ensures reliable protection when working online. Follow the link in the description of this video to visit the program's website, download and install it. After installation, antiviral defense will be activated automatically, but you will have to run the scanning to detect and delete viruses that may have got into the system earlier. Start the program by clicking on its icon in the system tray and click on Start Scan. The utility will scan your random access memory, check startup files, and Windows System Registry. Then it will start a long check for all drives connected to the system and run heuristics analysis. After scanning, the program will suggest you a list of objects to clean and delete, which will protect important files from being automatically deleted by mistake. Unfortunately, virus attacks and further cleaning operations can do irreparable damage to the operating system, programs and documents. Windows can show you error messages, some programs can stop working or won't be able to start. If you have system restore points enabled, you can roll the system back to the moment of infestation or reset your Windows. We showed it in our previous videos. A complete system scan took 3 hours in my case, and several threats were found. Select them and send them to quarantine so that the system will be safe from now on. You can always recover files from the quarantine if they were sent there by mistake. Remember that deleting a thread from the quarantine deletes the actual file from your computer's hard disk. If you need to recover these files, don't forget to use Hetman Partition Recovery. If you like this video, click the like button below to subscribe to our channel to see more. If you have any questions, leave a comment to ask one. Thank you for watching and good luck!